Actually, here's our service department. You can see we got a customer right into service. You'll see the service sign is going to be on the east side of the building. And you know, we in Chicago, so it's snowing. And sometimes the snow can trip a car up. It can make your battery go dead, make it not want to start. So it's very, very important that you know where our service department is and that we're here to service you. Now, our hours are from 8 until 5, okay? And that's going to be Monday through Friday and 8 to 2 on Saturday. Make sure when you come, you not only honk the horn, you lay on that horn. Come in, you'll go over here to the west side of the building. You're going to our lounge, customer waiting area, and then we'll come get you once we're done servicing your vehicle, okay? So I see you at Kelly Nissan. I'm excited for you.